Hey guys, these days typography with images is very trending. So today we will learn how this happens. Let's start. First, choose any image of your choice. This is the one I have taken. First of all, take a copy of it, then separate it from the image. That is the subject. You already know which tool I am going to use to do that. So we will separate the subjects with the selection tool. Whatever area we do not need, we will deselect it with the help of lasso tool and simultaneously press Ctrl+J and make a copy of it. Now we are going to do the work for which you guys are watching the video. So in this, we are going to write gorgeous. You can choose the front as per your convenience. To give curve effect in this, we will go to Edit, then go to Transfer and Warp. Those who know basic Photoshop will know how to transform. So right now it's on Custom Mood. We'll bring it to Cylinder Mood. And from here, we will hold and adjust. The front side is done. How to do the back side? For this, we will first take a copy. I will also warp this by going to Transform and hold it from here and adjust it. I am trying to give it an oval shape. We will make its color a little darker because it is towards the back side. After this is done, we will bring this layer below the main layer. What I am showing today is very important to watch carefully. The layers of these letters will be selected and linked to each other, so they will move together. So now we are going to add a little effect to the lookout. For this, we are rotating the ladder by 75%. We want there to be a water effect below it because this lady is on top of the water. For this, we will use the pen tool. Let's draw an area. This would be amazing. We will bring this layer to Devolve Mood and reduce the opacity a bit. Now look how spackle-like it has become. With the help of brush tool, we will erase it little by little from the sides. The more we love, the more we will keep. Now we will use fiber to add a little motion to it, because using motion blur will not give this effect. So for this, we will go to Filter, then go to Render and click on Fiber. We will adjust its strength a little. Now it is fine. We only want the bottom part. We will use Layer Mask to erase whatever we don't want. So that's all for today. I hope you liked the video, so please like and subscribe. See you some other day with a new video. Bye-bye.